Galing kay Pijong. Sige, tapatan natin yan. Current NBA players. Let's go. Old NBA gods versus current NBA players. First one from Charlotte Hornets. Okay. Let's go small forward. Gordon Hayward. Next one. Current NBA players again from the team of Denver Nuggets. Against George Mikan. Nikola Jokic. Let's go. Next team. Current NBA players again. From Phoenix Suns. Okay. Shooting guard. Devin Booker. Power forward. And point guard na lang. Next one. Denver Nuggets. Point guard. Jamal Murray. Alright. Last one. Power forward. From the team of Sacramento Kings against Bob Pettit. Domantas Sabonis. Old gods versus new generation. Ganda.